Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around for ages: drinking water on an empty stomach. Is it a miracle cure or just another health fad? Let's explore the facts and separate them from the fiction. For years, we've heard claims that chugging a glass of water first thing in the morning can detoxify your body, boost your metabolism, and even improve your skin. It sounds appealing, doesn't it? The idea of a simple, natural habit yielding such significant benefit is incredibly attractive. Let's break down some of these popular beliefs. One of the most common claims is that drinking water on an empty stomach flushes out toxins. While water is absolutely essential for our bodies to function, and our kidneys and liver are our primary detoxification organs, the idea that a glass of water specifically flushes toxins out more effectively on an empty stomach isn't strongly supported by scientific evidence. Our bodies are remarkably efficient at managing waste products throughout the day, regardless of when we drink water. Another frequently cited benefit is increased metabolism. Some suggest that drinking cold water can give your metabolism a slight temporary boost as your body expends energy to warm it up. While there might be a minuscule effect, it's unlikely to be substantial enough to cause significant weight loss on its own. Hydration, in general, is crucial for optimal metabolic function, but the timing of that hydration isn't the primary driver of a healthy metabolism. What about glowing skin? Staying hydrated is undeniably fantastic for your skin. Dehydration can make skin appear dull and dry. So, drinking water in general contributes to healthy, supple skin. However, attributing miraculous skin transformations solely to drinking water on an empty stomach might be an overstatement. Consistent hydration throughout the day is key. So, is there any truth to it at all? Well, drinking water first thing in the morning does have some genuine advantages. It helps rehydrate your body after a night's sleep, which is essential. It can also help wake up your digestive system and prepare it for the day's meals. For some individuals, it can also help alleviate constipation. The bottom line is that while drinking water on an empty stomach isn't a magical elixir, it's certainly not harmful and can contribute to your overall well-being. The most important thing is to stay adequately hydrated throughout the entire day. Listen to your body, drink when you're thirsty, and make water your go-to beverage. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this has shed some light on the topic. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more insights. Stay hydrated and stay well.